Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to change your name on Rednote app. It's very easy, so let's get started. All right, so the first step you have to take is of course open your Rednote app and log into your account. Next, you have to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After clicking on that, you're going to land on your profile. All right, so all you have to do from here is to click on this profile button right here. All right, so after clicking on that, here you're going to see the first option, which is your name at the top area. So what you just have to do is tap on your name and you'll be able to edit it. All right, so that's it guys on how to change your name on Rednote. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in my next video.